Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have a glass screen protector for your iPhone 15 Pro. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I will be reviewing and installing the glass screen protector from Spigen. This is their GlassTR Easy Fit screen protector. This is the screen protector I go to for most of my phones. It is really affordable on Amazon. You actually get two of them in case you mess up one or, mess up installing it. You have a second one that you can use, and it's so easy to install. They make it really easy, so I've been using it for a lot of my different phones. I have it for the front glass on my Z Flip, my Fold 5, my Google Pixel. A lot of devices I've been using this screen protector for. So in this video, we'll install it really quick. We'll make sure it looks good. How does it act with the glass on there? Just the normal things. I will have the links in the description, so if you want to pick it up, you can definitely do so. But here's the packaging from Spigen. If y'all want to pause that, y'all can definitely do so too. Oh, they got some tape on there. Let me bust out the knife. All right, so here is the packaging. Let's see what you get in here. So you get two of them. Bam. You get a little squeegee. You get instructions. Highly recommend if you haven't installed them, you definitely want to read the instructions here and learn how to install them. It says thank you for choosing Spigen. And then in here you get your wipes, your sticky remover, dust removers, and some cloth. But let me go ahead and take one of these to the side real quick. All right, so the first thing you want to do is turn off your phone. All right, so you have your phone off there. You take your wipes. You open one pack. You want to save the other one for the other installation when you need it. You can put it all back into the box. But you want to wipe your phone. The best time of doing this is if you buy it, put the screen protector on there first. That way you don't have any type of grease or fingerprints on your display. But you want to make sure you wipe it down, get it nice and clean. Take your microfiber cloth here, wipe it down some more, make sure it's dry. You want to take your dust removers, make sure you get all your dust off. Because that's the worst thing, when you have a great installation and you have dust buckets everywhere, or dust bunnies. I said dust buckets. But just make sure you get it all off. Then you take, this guide is so easy. You take the back piece off here. It tells you which is the top. So, this is the top of your phone. You just want to kind of put the phone in there, like so. And then what you want to do is press this on back and forth so much. Just go back and forth. It says wait 30 seconds. Then you want to remove this little piece here. Hopefully this is getting on camera. Okay, so once you remove that, then you can take the phone out. And you want to remove this. And yes, you may have some bubbles, but you can push them out with this little screen thing here. And if they don't come out right away, they will, unless you have a little dust bunny underneath there. But I do have one little bubble that's giving me a little trouble there. Let's see if I can get that out. All right, so I was able to work that bubble out with no issues. And that's what makes this so easy. It installs in about 5 minutes or so. And you can tell, look how good it is around the whole display there. And this will last. It's made out of good material. It feels like you're touching glass because you are touching glass. So I really do enjoy the screen protector from Spigen. I mean, but it went on so easy. All I did was after that too, take the wipe it down, and you are good to go with the screen protector. And it gives you that protection from from scratching up your beautiful display, and still can work great and no problems with touch issues either. So if you want to pick up the screen protector, I will have the links in the description. That way you can get it from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the iPhone 15 Pro. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.